I'm gonna show you something really cool. I got this Homebrew PSP game. First, I'm gonna show you that I have no I got this custom firmware PSP game. First, I gotta show you that I have no custom firmware on my PSP whatsoever. See? Well, I have 6.20 MP3, so. And I got this Homebrew. This game right here is a Homebrew game. Why I keep saying Homebrew? This is a custom firmware game. And I'm going to show you that me playing it, even though it's a custom firmware game. If you don't got no custom firmware, you might need half-byte loader. I'm running on version 620 M33. Not in this invincible, it's not real. See, this one right here. See, it works. This is Chromium. That space game, it's not fake. I'll tell you that. So, let's have new game. I'm actually really good at this game, so. No, you don't have to be harsh now. Okay, that's just proof.